Imagine a robot in your home, and if it gets confused, a real human sitting somewhere else in the world can take control out of it through a VR headset. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, robotics just leveled up. A company called 1X Robotics has launched new humanoid robots for homes, and honestly, this might be the start of very different future. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I saw something that literally shocked me a little in a good way and a weird way. So basically, this company has opened pre-orders for their robots called Neo. It's around 5 feet and 6-inch tall, literally human height. And honestly, anyone can buy it. Not a science lab, not a big tech company. Normal people can buy it. Shipping start in 2026, but hype is already started. You can either buy it for $20,000 or rent it for $499 per month. Yes, basically robot EMI, crazy, right? So Neo is not just there standing looking cute or some fancy showpiece. This robot is actually work. It can open doors, picking things up, turn lights on and off, bring you something you asked for. It even uses the large language model, like the brain behind the chat GPT, to understand your speech, gesture, and context. So you can literally talk to
Neo, please bring me a water bottle from the table.
and it really gets to work. Sounds like a sci fi movie, right? But here's the twist that blew my mind. If robots get confused or stuck, they don't know what to do next, a real human can control, yes, a real person, somewhere else sitting with a VR headset and controlling the robot like a game. This is the first robot that works today instead of waiting 5 years for perfect AI autonomy. For us, student, young people, this is the sign that where the world is going. Robots inside home, robots that anyone can subscribe to, robots controlled by AI plus human together. This means new job roles, new industries, and completely different lifestyle in the next few years. I feel like this is just the beginning. We may not afford it right now, but this is the same thing happened with the smartphone, right? Super expensive at first, but then affordable for everyone, right? So maybe 5 to 8 years having a robot at home might actually become normal, right? Anyway, what do you think? Would you ever want a robot walking around your house? Or does it feel a little scary? Or will you invest $20,000 in this? Tell me in the comment. And if you like simple tech explained in a real way, do subscribe. See you in the next one.